Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today let's prepare one pot sausage rice. Let's start. This recipe is very close to my heart. In a pot, add oil, heat it and add 2 onions chopped. Saute it until translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chilli paste. Saute it well until the raw smell goes off. Now add 1 tomato chopped. Saute it well until the tomatoes are mushy. This recipe is very easy for lazy days, like you don't want to stay in the kitchen for long hours, and it's very easy, quick tiffin dish too for kids. Now let's add the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, and salt as per your taste. Mix well. Now add sausages. Instead of sausages, you can add a chicken, boneless chicken or chicken with bone too. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. As I mentioned before, this recipe is very close to my heart. That is because the day my mom allowed me to cook, this is the first dish I cooked. This is very close to my heart and my kids love it. After a minute or two, open the lid, mix well. If you like more masala, instead of 2 onions, you can add 4 onions. Instead of 1 tomato, you can add 2 tomato, like double the ingredient. You will get more masala. Now I have used 3 cups of Jeerakasala rice. Instead of Jeerakasala, you can use basmati rice too. So I have washed 3 cups of Jeerakasala, drained and added to the masala. Mix for around 1 minute. For 3 cups of rice, I have taken 3 cups of water. Same cup in which you have taken rice, same cup you have to use for water. Mix well, check the salt, add salt accordingly. If you want little spicy, add chili powder and mix. Let it boil. The water should be almost absorbed. Add saffron food color. Cover and keep it for dum. On low flame, place a tawa or a heat diffuser and keep dum for 5 to 10 minutes. Easy peasy sausage rice is ready. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use boneless chicken, chicken with bone, vegetables, anything you like. Hope you'll try this recipe. Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.